What's up guys, Jimmy coming you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys do subscribe, make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. So the pair of shoes that we have for today are a collab between Nike and Supreme. A lot of people aren't feeling these shoes. They came out in 3 colorways. One of them was like a green and orange, one of them was a black and pink, which is the pair I have, and then the other one was like a really simple white and red. So getting right into the box of the shoe, come in your classic, black pull-out box that, I think Nike typically does with Supreme. It has Nike up top, has your Supreme little red box logo on the side, on the other side as well. The tag is Air Max Plus TN/Supreme. Retail is $180, so on the pricier side, but it is an Air Max Plus, so is expected. These are a size 8. Colors are University Red and Varsity Maize. But there's definitely a lot more going on than just those 2 colors. This shoe paper is white, but it does have like the Supreme branding and Nike as well, so a little touch of detail that Nike and Supreme are doing for the shoes. And here are the shoes. Let me know what you guys think. First impression, like I said, I feel like a lot of people weren't feeling these, including myself. I think once you see them in hand, they're not as bad as everyone's making them out to be. But personally for myself, would I go out, rush to the store, rush to the Supreme site to cop them? Maybe if they were in the lower 100 range, but for 180 plus tax shipping, personally in my opinion, I wouldn't go out the way to cop these shoes. But nonetheless, they are pretty nice. Resale isn't too crazy, so if you are interested in picking them up, check your local Facebook marketplace or StockX. And getting right into the shoe, it's basically just an Air Max Plus model with some Supreme branding, a crazy colorway, but we'll get right into the outsole. You have a black outsole, has kind of like that Air Max Plus, Air Max 95 outsole. You have a TN Air logo right there, and then your middle portion, which goes down to the bottom of the outsole, is kind of like that Varsity Maize, or no, the yellow swoosh is probably the Varsity Maize, and this is just that red color. You have a black midsole. I really like the finish of the midsole. Actually, that's the one thing I'll compliment the shoe on. It has a really nice like matte black finish, so I think that's a little nice detail. Like they could have made it glossy or anything else, but I think this matte finish accompanies the shoe really well. And then of course you gotta pay attention to the color of the Air Max unit. This one is that red. I don't know if you guys can see or if the light is too harsh, but it does have a red Air Max unit, which pairs pretty well with the color scheme itself. And moving up to the upper, you have that crazy mixture of colors. It kind of goes from like a gradient pink to that red. The back has hits of black as well, and then the swoosh is yellow, or that Varsity Maize. I'll say that's the one thing I do like about this shoe. Or another thing that I like about the shoe is just how the yellow pops out with that pink, red, black. It's just a nice little touch of detail that is definitely gonna stand out. The tongue is just a black tongue, and it has the Supreme branding up top. You have black laces. The insole is red, a red insole with Nike, Air, and Supreme branding. You have a plastic toe cap. I was never the biggest fan of this plastic toe cap. I just felt like it gave the shoe kind of an awkward look, an awkward feel. Just looks a little bit too boxy in my opinion. And then another thing I should mention is this little area that wraps around the whole shoe. It's almost kind of like in this, I want to say leather material. I'm not 100% sure what this material is. And a nice little detail that Nike always adds with Supreme is doing little things like this. They give you an orange hang tag that says Nike Air Supreme. This is typically found on the 4s, but it's cool to see that they're doing this for other shoes as well. And it's gonna wrap up the review, you guys. Like I said, these next couple shoe reviews will be pretty simple just because I'm doing it at home. Let me know what you guys think about the shoes. Let me know if you guys miss this setup, miss this layout. This definitely brings back a lot of memories. I'll say the last time I made a video in this corner, I probably didn't even start college yet, so that kind of gives you guys a point of reference. Like I'm bringing it way back, and it feels good to be back. Like I'm definitely in a different phase, maturity, and just at a different point in my life. But to be able to just come back to this corner and then reminisce and do things like this. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll see you guys very, very soon, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.